Today on waking up in the morning, Lakshmanan told me, what are you going to cook for lunch today? I don't want to eat the regular sambar, rasam, roti sabji or more korambu, kadhi. Make something chatpata. So then I started thinking, suddenly I have to plan. So what do I have in my fridge? And his only criteria is that food has to be delicious at the same time nutritious. So what was I planning to make today? I had this pack of Pani Puris, and so here I am preparing Pani Puris for lunch with whatever ingredients I have today. Let's start making it. Namaskaram, I am Sujata, an educator in biology and environmental science, a health and wellness consultant and your host on Munch and Mull. Indians love street food, especially Pani Puri, Bhel Puri, chaat, pav bhaji. But the main issue with street food is safety and hygiene. Most often people end up with food poisoning and stomach upsets after eating street food. So, isn't it a better idea to make it at home? The other advantage of making it at home is you can actually change the ingredients, add more vegetables and make it nutritious and delicious. So come join me and let's make Pani Puri with whatever ingredients I had at home today. The Pani Puri water is the most important aspect that gives it the taste. So with whatever ingredients I have, I'm going to make the Pani Puri water. So for that, I'm going to make this green chutney. I have a whole bunch of fresh coriander leaves, a bunch of mint or pudina, a piece of ginger, one green chili, and this is Himalayan pink salt. You can use even kala namak for it. So all this has been washed and I'm going to grind it. So now let's look at how to make the sweet tamarind chutney. It's also called Katti Meethi chutney. So I have taken a orange sized ball of tamarind and soaked it for about 2 hours. 4 teaspoons of raw cane sugar or jaggery powder, about 7 to 8 chopped dates and salt to taste. Now coming to the filling that goes into the Pani Puri. So these are some boiled potatoes, grated carrot, and my special ingredient for today is these microgreens, moong microgreens, which my husband has grown it at home. He's experimenting growing microgreens. So I will be chopping this microgreen and mixing up all this. This is a teaspoon of chili powder, salt and coriander powder. Now what goes into the Pani Puri is left to your imagination. You can have grated beetroot, pumpkin, snake gourd, moong sprouts or even steamed chana sprouts can go into the filling. Use your creativity and imagination. So I'm going to be chopping this moong microgreens. The roots are also extremely tender, so nothing goes waste. Everything will be chopped. So here, let me start chopping these moong microgreens. See, the roots are extremely tender. So I've removed the seeds from the soaked tamarind and now we will grind all this together. The jaggery powder, the chopped dates, salt to taste. So now let's heat this meethi chutney. Just heat it for about 10 minutes. It turns a little translucent and the raw tamarind smell should go. So here our sweet tamarind or meethi chutney is ready and it's got a glossy appearance. So let it cool and we can store it. It can be used with bhel and other chaat items. Goes very well with samosa, dokla. So here let's start making our green chutney for the Pani Puri water. So here goes the coriander, the mint leaves, green chili, and I'm going to chop this ginger and put it the salt. Adding a little water so that it's easy to grind. So here our green chutney is ready to be mixed with the water. In fact, this green chutney, you can use it for bhel puri, you can use it as a sandwich spread, you can also use it to add it in curd to make fantastic raitas, you can add it in chapati dough to make masala parathas, so it has multi-purpose use. So now the final step is to make the Pani Puri water. So I'm going to take this green chutney and mix it in water. So here's the water which has pudina, coriander, you could even add jeera. So now let's mix all the ingredients and make the filling. So I'm just going to mash the potatoes. I'm adding the grated carrot to the mashed potatoes, the chopped microgreens, moong microgreens, the coriander powder, chili powder and salt. Give this a nice mix. Apart from the potato, vegetables can be added raw. So here the Pani Puri filling is ready. Wow, doesn't it look delicious and mouth-watering? The pani is ready and this will actually help cleanse the stomach and improve digestion because it's full of, mint and adrak. And of course the Pani Puris are store-bought. I have never made Pani Puri, the puri at home. My next experiment is going to be to try and make these puris at home. And if I succeed, I will definitely share the recipe with you. So now it's time to gulp our golgappes. So now let's make our Pani Puri. Make a hole, add the filling, hand is best, add the meetha chutney and dip it in this water. There. Let me feed it to my husband.
I'm waiting.
Here, Mull. Here, the Pani Puri. How is it?
Chatpata and very tasty. Oh my God, Sujata, thank you so much. Really.
You're most welcome. Yele. You all also enjoy it.
My day is made. Here's my final Pani Puri for the day. Okay. So let me dip it in and now this is the most important thing. This liquid that's here, don't throw it away. The general practice is after all the Pani Puris are eaten, you take a good helping of this liquid and drink it up. Very, very powerful digestive. So don't miss on this. As Sujata was giving me that Pani Puri and as I was eating it, there is a certain thought that came to my mind. Would I ever get this kind of Pani Puri with these kind of ingredients anywhere outside? Let's mull over this. See, I am the kind of person who simply loves to have lots of vegetables in just about anything that I eat. Whether it is a poha or a pani puri or a bhel puri or a upma, everywhere I want lots of vegetables and very often Sujata gets irritated because of this. She keeps saying like, what's this? Whatever I put, you're not never satisfied. Now, if you are this kind of a person, you will definitely have experienced that anything that you eat in any eatery outside will never meet our requirement of the vegetables, the kind of quantity and the variety of vegetables that we want to eat. Am I not correct? So, I keep thinking that if I really want to eat to my heart's content and also eat all this kind of food like pani puri or bhel puri and all that kind of things, the only way that I will get satisfaction is if we make it at home. And look at the kind of flexibility that is there. You can use your innovation, creativity, throw in all kinds of things. This is something that you can never get outside. Of course, once in a while you do want to go out and eat. You don't want to keep doing this at home. But in general, if you want to eat a really nutritious and a chatpata healthy meal, the best way to do it is make it at home. What do you think about this? I would love to hear your comments on this, and if you found this particular video very interesting and very different, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends and like the video.
Hey, have you subscribed to Munch and Mull? Do click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon to receive notifications of my newest videos uploaded every Saturday.